Investing versus trading. What are their main differences? Two paths to market participation. When it comes to the financial markets, investing and trading are two popular but very different approaches. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your financial strategy, understanding the key differences between investing and trading is essential to making smart decisions. At FXCM, we help traders and investors alike navigate these paths with confidence and clarity. Time horizon. Long-term versus short-term. One of the biggest distinctions is the time frame. Investing typically means buying assets like stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, and holding them for months or years, even decades. The goal is to grow wealth over time through capital appreciation, dividends, or interest. Trading, on the other hand, focuses on shorter-term opportunities. Traders might hold positions for days, hours, or even minutes, aiming to profit from market fluctuations. Strategy and objectives. Investors use fundamental analysis, studying a company's earnings, growth prospects, and industry trends to identify undervalued opportunities for long-term gains. Traders rely more on technical analysis, chart patterns, and indicators like RSI or moving averages to predict short-term price movements. While investors prioritize stability and compounding, traders focus on liquidity, volatility, and timing. Risk and reward investing is generally considered less risky, but rewards are slower and often realized over the long haul. Market downturns are absorbed with a long-term view. Trading involves higher risk, especially with leverage, but offers the potential for quick profits and fast losses. Mindset and discipline. Investors need patience, while traders need precision, discipline, and emotional control. Both require strong risk management, but traders must make faster decisions under pressure. Which is right for you? Both trading and investing can be profitable, but they suit different personalities, goals, and risk tolerances. You might even do both. At FXCM, we provide the tools and education to help you succeed in either path. Like, subscribe, and follow for more trading insights.